Your brain isn't a single, solid block, it's a vast network of tiny connections constantly firing, and those connections are called synapses. Today, we're diving deep into the science of synapses, the crucial junctions that allow your brain to think, feel, and remember. Understanding them unlocks a fascinating glimpse into how our minds truly work. We'll explore how these microscopic gaps transmit signals, the different types of synapses that exist, and the surprising ways they change throughout your life. This knowledge isn't just for neuroscientists, it's fundamental to understanding everything from learning new skills to battling neurological disorders. Let's start with the basics. What is a synapse? Imagine two neurons, brain cells, wanting to communicate. Instead of touching, they're separated by a tiny space, the synaptic cleft. When one neuron, the presynaptic neuron, fires, it releases chemical messengers called neurotransmitters into this cleft. These neurotransmitters then drift across and bind to receptors on the receiving, or postsynaptic, neuron, triggering a new electrical signal. It's like a microscopic game of telephone, but far more complex. Now, not all synapses are created equal. We have two main types, chemical and electrical. Electrical synapses are rare and involve direct physical connections, allowing for incredibly fast communication. Chemical synapses, the more common type, are slower but offer far greater flexibility. They allow for signal modulation, meaning the strength of the signal can be adjusted based on the type and amount of neurotransmitter released. This is key for complex brain functions. Here's a surprising fact: your brain isn't static. Synapses are constantly changing in strength and number, a process called synaptic plasticity. Repeated use strengthens connections, making it easier to recall memories or master a skill. Conversely, unused connections weaken and may even disappear. This is the biological basis of learning and memory. And, get this, scientists believe that the sheer number of synapses in the human brain, estimated to be trillions, dwarfs the number of stars in our galaxy. We'll be exploring how neurodegenerative diseases disrupt this plasticity in our next video. Synapses are the fundamental building blocks of our brains, enabling communication, learning, and memory. They're dynamic, adaptable, and incredibly numerous, constantly reshaping our minds throughout our lives. So, if you found this exploration of the science of synapses fascinating, give this video a like. Let us know in the comments what other brain-related topics you'd like us to cover, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing science content.